So this is how to clean the base of the chlorine tank to make sure that you have good water flow. You're basically cleaning off the spray nozzle heads. So the first step you do is you put your mask on and your gloves. Second step is you take off that large tank, and it helps if you already have the chlorine tablets are very low, so it's a lot lighter for you to lift. If you need to, you have to scoop the chlorine tablets out of it. On the back side, of the base, on the outside, there's a red valve. That is your discharge. You turn that 90 degrees, and that'll let the acid and chlorine water release. It drains out. You want to make sure that's open when you start. Take the magic acid and gently pour a little over each of the 4 heads that are up to remove any buildup of chlorine that is on them. You can do the same to the 2 that are pointing down. After you have cleaned, poured the acid on those nozzle jet heads, you'll see it bubble. Then what you can do is take a hose and water and hose it off, cleaning up the area. And again, all that will drain out the back of the base. Also down at the bottom of the drain, sometimes there's some sediment that builds up. If it has, just tilt the base up to let that flow out so it doesn't block any of the features or holes, hoses, so it doesn't block any of the hoses. Then shut the valve to the off position and leave the base in its place, and grab the top of the tank, grab that and gently place it on top of the base back to the normal position. This is a very important step that you must make sure that you're wearing gloves and a respirator and have another person down there. The acid that you're going to use is very caustic, and it'll cause you breathing difficulties if you're not wearing the mask. You can do this whole same procedure if you take the base and the tank and do it outside.